What's up everyone, thanks for joining me today. Wanted to bring you another product review. Another product from SuperClean. This is their Aerosol Form SuperClean degreaser. This is the exact same as their all-purpose cleaner that I've used in previous videos, but it's an aerosol foaming form. This is going to be a video showing you how to remove bugs off of the front of your vehicle, and you don't need to scrub like crazy to get them off. You just need to use the right type of product. Now I like using the foaming stuff because it actually will cling to the surface, which is good because you want to give it time to actually work properly. Just spraying a liquid on there, it's just going to run off and it's not going to do its job perfectly. So we'll just give it a little shake. I just wetted down the entire car, so we're going to wash everything, but I want to show you how useful this product is. We're just going to spray it on the headlight up here. Look at that foaming action. And you can apply this to a completely dry vehicle as well. So you don't need to pre-soak if you don't want to, but we're just going to spray everything that's got bugs on it. And look at that start to turn yellow. Those bugs are starting to break down chemically. The bond on the paint is starting to loosen the bug guts up, and after about a minute or two, we're going to scrub it down. And I've got a product for that as well. I'm just going to spray this a little bit more. And this is going to save you a lot of headache of having to scrub and scrub and scrub and really put your back into it. But let me just bring you in closer and you can kind of see what's happening. I mean, it's been, what, 30 seconds since I sprayed, and you can see things are starting to run already. So that chemical bond there is binding to the bug guts and it's starting to break down. So I think we're just about ready to scrub it off and rinse. Now to scrub, I've got this microfiber cloth, but this is, on the back side, a bug sponge. So you'll probably see these at like Walmart or Target or wherever you can buy car cleaning supplies. This yellow mesh is soft, it won't scratch the paint, but it does have like these little tiny holes in it that will grab onto those bugs. So we're going to wet this down quick. Alright, now watch how effortless this is to get those bugs off. I'm hardly applying any pressure, not any more than what I normally apply just to wash the rest of the car. But I probably got about 90% of them. Might have to go back around and touch up a couple other areas, but some areas that are a little bit heavier with the bugs. You spray your license plate and everything. But compared to the other side, it's looking almost perfect. Now that one other spot I think just needed a little extra dose there. And it's gone. That's really all there is to it, guys. So save yourself the headache and the backache. Make sure you use a bug sponge that's nice and soft for cleaning your car. Areas that don't have bugs, you can just go ahead and use the microfiber side. Get yourself a bug and tire remover, or just go with a SuperClean, and it works great. If you guys got any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe if you like this video. Until next time, thanks for watching.